Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today on Howie Cooking Time, I'll be making some delicious Jamaican jerk chicken wings. So I have my chicken wings right here. These are clean and ready to be seasoned. So first, going in with some olive oil. You want to drizzle a little olive oil onto the wings. After that, I will combine everything together and get the wings nicely coated with the olive oil. Now guys, going in with a mixture of seasonings. So all the ingredients will be in the description box down below. So guys, I added about 2 to 3 tablespoons of my powdered seasoning. Now that all that seasoning is on the chicken wings, I will rub everything together and get these chicken wings nicely seasoned. Okay guys, so now going to add my jerk marinade. So going in with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of my jerk marinade. So guys, I will rub this onto the chicken wings to get these wings nicely seasoned and to ensure these wings are seasoned to the bone to get some awesome flavors. After that, going to add a few drops of browning for color and rub that in as well. Okay guys, so these are nicely seasoned. So now going to cover this and place it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours to allow it to marinate. So the longer you allow your chicken to marinate, the more flavor you will get from the chicken. Okay guys, so now I have sprayed the grill with some cooking spray to prevent the chicken wings from sticking. And then I placed the chicken wings on there, and also guys, I preheated my oven to 200 degrees Celsius. So now it is time to bake this for 25 minutes. So guys, this is how it looks after 25 minutes. So now I will add a little water to the reserve marinade that was left in the bowl. So giving this a quick mix, then I will add this onto the wings. So guys, now that I'm finished brushing on the marinade onto this side, I will now flip the chicken wings on the other side and brush the marinade on that side as well. So guys, I will now allow this to bake for another 25 minutes to get the wings nice and tender. So guys, there you have it. After a total of 50 minutes, our jerk chicken wings are nicely done. They are all ready. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this amazing Jamaican jerk chicken wings recipe, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't done that already. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and until I see you next time, bye guys.